Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to give you a behind the scenes look at the Ritz Carlton Suite at the Ritz Carlton Hong Kong. First, I want to give a big thanks to the Ritz Carlton marketing communications team for giving me the opportunity to show you guys this suite. So this suite is on the 117th floor. That is the last floor of rooms at this hotel. So this is the highest floor that they have guest rooms in this suite. I mean, it as opulent as it gets. Here, as you'll see some of the features of it, and it's $25,000 a night if you want to stay here. So that got the huge chandelier, got seating for 10 to 12 people here in the living room. Got a TV here. So off to the left, you've got a small kitchenette. I say small relative, I guess, to an actual like kitchen, but you do have a full refrigerator, a sink. You've got an oven here, wine place to store wine there, some space there, coffee machine as well. So I think this room comes with a butler. And right over here, so it's only a one bed suite, so you can get the deluxe deluxe Victoria Harbor suite to connect to this room if you need an extra room. And yes, you'll have to pay for that room as well separately. But the big thing about this room is the views all around. I mean, it's really like floor to ceiling windows, but you've got two corners of it. Much longer than my piddly deluxe Victoria suite. I mean, piddly in comparison to this here. So the living area here, you've got a couple couches, couple seats, and you've got this spread here of got cake, got wife cakes, pastries, fruits. So it's ready for you when you're spending that kind of money and you want to pull up and have this experience. I mean, I'm guessing mostly celebrities are staying in this type of suite there. But yeah, really love the natural light of this room. And this is a tea, like I think a tea champagne, I believe, that is a signature of the Ritz Carlton. So when you look up, you can see yourself there. You've got a mirrored ceiling in the living room. Another huge TV as we continue through. You've got a much better view here. You'll see what I mean by two corners. You get two corner views at this one. I mean, this one is much more expansive than the room I was staying in. It's this corner, yeah, it just feels more spacious there, more open because the room is much bigger. You got views of both sides, the Kowloon side as well as Hong Kong. So as we continue on through the suite, come into the huge bedroom, which again, you've got another corner view of the bedroom. And I think the thing, again, the natural lighting is great here. So even in some places where in the hotel you've got darker tones, it really still, the natural light really shines through and makes the room, I think, much more inviting. I've noticed that hotels with dark colors that don't have maybe the same amount of natural light, you tend to see, I don't know, to me it changes the mood of things. So you've also got a couple chairs, a little love seat. Got a love seat there. And it's just an incredible suite here. You've got the walk-in closet. And actually a cool feature about this closet is this door here, right there to the right. You can actually get out of your room at that door. So if you get dressed and just want to come out, you got a secret trap door that you can get out of to get out of your room. Now, of course, yeah, you'd have club lounge with this room. And if we step into the bathroom, which is huge, you got double vanities, this huge massaging jet hot tub. I mean, it's got like jets all over the place. TV in front of there, another great view. You've got candles if you want to set the mood. And as we come over here, you've got the huge shower here, which you've got double rainfall shower. You got a double rainfall, and you've got the hydrotherapy jets there to hit you with. You've got your own sauna. Then you've got the separate toilet here, right to the right of the sauna. As you can see, the back view. So that's all. I don't know if there's a shade that comes down. I gotta imagine for privacy. I gotta imagine there is though. But here you've got the total toilet in that bathroom. Then you've got another bathroom here with a TV, so you can take a number 2 in peace if that's what you want to do. Another total toilet there. It just seems like this suite never ends. It's kind of like you go in a circle. And I think one of the cooler features here, kind of you got hidden here. I didn't even notice this coming by, but you've got this office. I mean, it really looks more like a command center than an office to me. So yeah, huge TV, plenty of space to work. You can hunker down and get a lot of work done in this type of place. So this is the Ritz Carlton suite at the Ritz Carlton Hong Kong. Again, if you got $25,000 to spare, it can be yours. So as I appreciate you guys watching, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.